Alright, so let's go into Kloudstage. Here's where I can select the various environments. And once I select the environment, I can see the message here that says environment. Login is successful. So now I'm connected to one of the Oracle environments. And this shows me a list of all the existing reports in the library which I can run. Just as an example, if I go to purchase orders, I see the list of purchase orders from PO header table. And if I click on run, it will run this report. I can run it for a specific PO, or I can run it blank against this environment and get the results right here in my browser. So as you can see here, this data is coming from the Oracle Cloud environment. And you can see there are multiple PO numbers, suppliers, supplier sites, and then there are purchase order status. One can also see what item has been ordered. What is the inventory expense account for that order? Now if I want to just quickly say, I want to group by suppliers, I can come in here and I can say supplier and group by. And what it will do is, it will group all these supplier orders like this, and then I can see that there are 671 orders for Midtown Computer. There are 62 orders for MK Supplies, so on and so forth. So this is how my reporting in Kloudstage works. Now obviously if you want to export it to Excel, you have an option to export this report to Excel, and it will generate an Excel sheet with all these data. You can also create HDL or FBDI using this dataset.